Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Salesforce CRM for lead management, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. In the address bar, type in the Salesforce login URL, www.salesforce.com. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Login button on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. Now, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your Salesforce username in the designated field. Double-check your username for any typos to avoid login issues. Next, enter your password in the second field. Make sure to use the correct case for letters, as passwords are case-sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link below. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your username and password, click the Login button. You may be prompted to complete a security verification step, depending on your organization's settings. Follow the instructions provided on the screen for the verification process. After successful verification, you will be directed to your Salesforce dashboard. Now, you are logged in and ready to manage your leads. Explore the various features available for lead management within Salesforce. If you need to log out later, click on your profile icon, then select Log Out from the drop-down menu. You are now equipped to navigate Salesforce CRM for effective lead management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.